What's up, YouTube? Ray here from Pontiac Lemans Garage. Today, I got a short clip for you. Dad joke. Anyway, so me and my buddy came over, helped me put my windshield in, and I had enough clips to do the side molding. I did not have enough clips to do the top molding. I'm really hoping that I could still get these in there. We're going to give it a shot. They just slide over this little nub up here. Just like that, I guess, suppose. And then the trim just clips on there. I've never put trim on before. I broke a lot of crap taking it off. So we'll see how that goes. And we did not do a professional job putting this windshield in. I watched a lot of videos on how to do it, and that's not how I did it. Just going to slide all these clips in here. Some kind of a booger. That's a good way to break the windshield. Let's not do that again. Alright, we've got that on there. Let's see here. I believe, oh, definitely not. Definitely not. So I got all my trim. So I have all the trim for the car. It's actually a really nice stainless trim. I'm going to powder coat it black. I'm sure that's going to make some people unhappy, but I've already LS swapped the car, so might as well ruin it a little more, I suppose. This is one of the back pieces of trim. I still have to glue the back window in, but I'm going to wait till I paint the roll cage so I don't get any paint on the window, and I'm going to have it tinted while I got it out too. So a lot of exciting stuff happening right here. Car runs and drives, windshield's in it, seats are in it. I need to wire up the fan, but I have driven it. It's pretty fun to drive. And next, I'll put the turbo setup back on it. So stay tuned, we'll see how it goes.